Welcome. In this session, we'll explore how to dynamically generate an array using an iterator function and an initial seed value. This technique is useful in functional programming and data generation. Let's get started. Our goal is to generate an array where each new value is derived from the previous one using a function that determines when to stop. This function repeatedly calls fn with the last generated seed, extracting the value and updating the seed until the function returns false. Each iteration retrieves the value and updates the seed, storing only the first element of the return pair. When the function returns false, the process stops. This example demonstrates how the function iterates through values, generating a sequence until the condition is met. This method is widely used in functional programming, data processing pipelines, and scenarios where values need to be computed on demand. This technique is a powerful way to build sequences dynamically and is widely applicable in programming. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.